Why should you learn English? So friends, many of those people learn this language and probably you have also decided to improve your communication skill. Friends, you are watching this video, it means you are very eager to improve your career, life and communication skill. Now the things that should you learn English. English as a language spoken worldwide. I mean say that people do understand and people do speak. આપણે સમજી શકીએ અને બોલી શકીએ. આપણી અને મોસ્ટલી કન્ટ્રીની ફ્રેન્ડ્સ આ સેકન્ડ લેંગ્વેજ છે. સો વેન ઇટ કમ્સ ટુ traveling, visit any different place, countries, business tour or a meeting, at that time if people don't speak our language, then English come to રેક્યુલ્યુઝ. ઇંગ્લિશ આપણને હેલ્પ કરે છે, ઇંગ્લિશ આપણે બોલવી પડે છે. તો ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, ઇંગ્લિશનું થોડું એટલે કે બેસિક ફંડામેન્ટલ નોલેજ કેન સ્પીક easily. Now you are seeking employment through spoken English, open up opportunity to go ahead in a job and you will be do great field if you have a great effective communication skill. So friends, મારી ચેનલને thumbs up, like અને share કરો.